So on to the Kawasaki's now. The Versus 1000 or the Versus 1100, sorry. 1100 Grand Tourer, and that is £17,700. £17,700. Not a cheap bike. And then we've got this, the Z, new 2025 Z900. Again, not my style, just another naked street bike, but you know, still looks pretty good. Ninja 1100 SX, sort of sports tourer. Move on to the sports bikes. We've got the ZX10R here. Not many people on this stand now, which is good. They're obviously all in there watching the show most of it. ZX10R, ZX6R, another ZX6R, Ninja 500, £6,000 things. I love that grey. Ninja 500. £7,249 for a 500. How does that price fare for you? Lots of Kawasaki's, all very similar looking, aren't they? Sports bikes, just slightly bigger or slightly smaller. The one I do love, the 4RR. H2, which is £25,000, not a cheap bike by a long shot. And the 4RR. £8,700. For the 4RR Performance, £9,600. A lot of money. The more retro stuff, Z650, it's better in the green and black. £7,799. The Z125 4299, so it's pretty much on par with a lot of 125s now. 4299 for the Z125. The EV E1 7199 for the EV, and the E1 Ninja 7699. That's the fully electric bike. And then the Hybrid 7 that I reviewed previously, 11949 for that. Z650, which looks more like a 125 as far as I'm concerned. 7999. Doesn't really do it for me. It's a bit of a meh, that'll do kind of bike for as far as I'm concerned. That's just my taste. The same with the Z500. 5699. It's like I just need a bike to get me about. Well, I want to spend more than I should on a bike. I'll go for that. Nice stand they have here with the sports bikes on and the Eliminator Eliminator is 6399. 5999 for this eliminator. So this one is the 500. And then the matte black SE version, another 400 quid. New Z900 doesn't have a price on it yet. I like that colour. Red and black, getting sort of bug-eyed front end. Watching. And the ZH2, 19799. Bit of a monster, isn't it? Supercharged bike. If you like that kind of thing. It's got something that's weird, looks like possibly detached light. And then the Vulcan S. With this huge screen on the front, look. Keep the wind off. 8399. Nice little sort of a cruiser tourer style bike. And then the Z900 RS, which I really do like. $13,249. Well, that's a nice colour scheme. The white and the black. That's with the panniers on, that works well. Even the black with the blue writing. The 650 versus. So what do you get for your money? So 9799 for the 650 Tourer. And then 14399 for the 1100 Tourer. Another £5 to go from a 650 to an 1100. It's a lot of money. Lovely gold wheels. I don't know if you can hear me, there's a lot going on. There's sort of beaty music, shouty, talky from over there. There's a lot going on here. That is lovely. The very expensive Lamborghini Ducati. Not on the Ducati stand, I have to add. On the bike track stand. Lovely colour scheme. So now the crowds have died down a bit. Let's pop onto the Honda stand, our final destination for today. And again, because of the music playing in the background, I should probably be playing music over and talking less. So enjoy the music. If not, then just mute it and enjoy the visual feast. Ah, the new GB350. Yeah, not bad.
That's hard. You do it.
I can do it. It's all right. Oh, I missed it. Come on then. Come on. Oh, exactly the same. Good one. bit too big, that one. £2,700. So Patrick has been bugging me all the way around to go on this simulator, and he's in there on his own. There's no one else here, and he went in on his own, and he was bugging me. He loves this kind of stuff, he says. He did all the rides at Disney, and all the 360-degree ones. I can't stand any of them, makes me feel sick, but he's in there on his own, enjoying it. So let's see what he's like when he comes out. It's the lap of the TT race. Keen to know what he feels like when he comes out. Oh my God.
Departure.
So it's now finished. Let's see what he's like when he comes out. How was that? Was that good?
Yeah,